Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete an Exness account. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Exness. After that, open the official website and sign into your account using your credentials. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard page. On the left side panel, click on the Settings feature. Next, navigate to the Security Settings tab in the drop-down menu. Once you're on the security page, scroll down a bit until you see the Termination section displayed. Click on the Terminate Account button and a floating window will appear. In this window, select Commit New. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for termination from the provided list. Next, check the box at the bottom to agree to the statement, and then click on the Terminate Account button to finalize the process. So that's basically how you can delete an Exness account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.